This water purifier is a mother and child sterile tabletop direct drinking water dispenser. It can connect to tap water and automatically intake water without the need for frequent manual water changes. It is a high-end commercial instant heating all-in-one water purifier dispenser that can also be used for household purposes. It is widely purchased by hospitals and kindergartens, and the product can reach first-class water quality, with the filtered water being the same as bottled pure water in supermarkets. This water purifier adopts an in-house developed digital control chip, which allows for easy adjustment of the water outlet temperature. Every degree can be adjusted, and you can set the temperature you want, accurate to 摄氏1度. The product has a TDS display function to show the water quality in real time. It is equipped with a UV ultraviolet sterilization lamp to ensure the clean and safe drinking water. It also has a customized water output function, and you can set the water output of each water outlet mode. Just one click to fill a glass of water, which is convenient for making milk and tea. In addition, it has a function to remind the replacement of the filter element, which is very simple to replace the filter element. The product has a net weight of 13 kg. It selects high-quality raw materials, which are strong, environmentally friendly and durable, and it is twice the weight of ordinary water purifiers on the market.